Okay, so the last bit of work we need to do is called rationalizing the denominator. Now, I want to remind you of the types of numbers we have. We have our rational numbers, right? Anything that can be written as a fraction, things like 0,2, one and a half, a quarter, -1, etc. All of these values are rational. Okay, and also the square root of a perfect square is rational, and the cube root of a perfect cube is also rational. What is irrational would be the square root of a non-square like 3, or the cube root of a non-cube like, say, 80, right? So when we have a denominator that has an irrational number, like what we see over here, that is a problem, because generally we have our fractions with rational denominators and not irrational denominators. It's okay if the irrational value is in the numerator, but not in the denominator. So how do we go about that? I want you to try this out on your calculator. Type in 2 square root of 2 and see what your calculator simplifies this as. Your calculator will give you a value of 2 root 2 over 2, because the calculator knows that we do not want this irrational number in our answer, and so it will rationalize this denominator, aka make it rational and not irrational anymore.